it's about 10 o'clock at night, and we were trying to get some hay up before the next rainstorms come in, which we really need the rain. But then we realized that the cattle that we just moved into a new pasture today were tearing up our haylage, our hay silage. And even though they're standing in, you know, almost waist high forage for them to eat, pasture, really good pasture, they still just could not resist trying to bite into some of this. So we're out here in the middle of the night, and Henry is driving steel post. Casey just got in from college. She's helping pack post. Ben's out here walking off so that Henry can drive the steel post, and it just never ends. I mean, they're like a bunch of toddlers. Cattle are like a bunch of toddlers. And they don't care that you gotta get up at 4 a.m. and go to work. So if you really, really want to sleep ever, livestock is not something you would probably want to own. So it looks like Casey's gonna learn to put in some steel posts. Where's the clips at?
The insulators are in.
Oh, that's nice.
I need insulators, Henry. 360s. They're down there in the crib, I think.
360. Oh,
yeah.
The lockjaw?
Yeah.
Alright, I'll take the place there.
Henry, I need the light, son. Just run.
So we'll show you how easy it is to put these on in the middle of the night.
Hey, middle of the night? 9 o'clock.
It's the middle of the night for somebody's got to get up at 4 a.m.
When? Yeah. I like my 7:30. Well, not 7:30. 6:50. Watch out for all that. Did it tear into anything else down through here?
Just the two ends.
Yeah.
Henry, them should fit.
You can't, that don't work. You have to put it where 2 of the bottoms are in the bottom.
They're supposed to be.
I ain't gonna be able to put it through the insulator. I forgot about that.
We'll have to come back through and put it through.
Pull it, then come back.
Yeah.
Tie it off down there.
All right.
Fence is up, headed home.